with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things, why'd you do it? In my head I paint a picture. So since I'm coming home, feel my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Watch you coming over, stop making a fool out of me. Oh, why don't you come on over, Valerie? Did you have to go to jail? Put your house up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? And did you get the gun deal? Get a gun deal? Did you get a good lawyer? Are you shopping all around? Change the color of your hair? Are you busy? And if you have to pay the fine that you're dodging all the time, are you dizzy? 'Cause since I'm coming home, feel my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. So I'm coming over, stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie?
Сања? Многу чисто отпеа и убаво вибрато имаш, многу убаво вибрато. Мислам дека песна, можеш ти песна нека која можеш повеќе да покажеш, меѓутоа у секој случај се слуша дека имаш одличен глас.